My name is Cynthia Chiari. I am the terminal manager at the Phoenix terminal for May Trucking Company. I've been here for 12 years. Know It is our company-wide resource group for our female drivers. It stands for Knowing and Nurturing Our Women in Trucking. The passion behind starting the resource group comes from the fact that when I got my CDL, I had no support system. So working for this company afforded me the ability to help them create this resource group for the women here at May Trucking Company to have their voice heard, to have a support system when they need it the most.
Know It is a resource group for our female drivers here at May Trucking Company. The passion behind the resource group is when I started driving a long time ago, feels like a long time ago, I didn't have anybody to call when I needed support. As a female in a male populated industry, I had no support group. And I want us to be different. I want us to be better. I want to make sure that when our ladies need help out there, that there's somebody there to help them when they need it. I think a lot of the reason why the Know It group was created was, I remember back when I was still driving over the road for a different carrier. And I had this pivotal moment in my career where everything else was going wrong. So I was in Nebraska. I was literally in the middle of the country. I have my 4 kids back home. I have an apartment back home. I have my car. And I have what I thought is a babysitter. Well, babysitter stole my credit card, wrecked my car, and left my children in the house by themselves. My oldest kids at the time were 14. I go to the ATM to pull money out, and I had a $50 paycheck. And part of that came down to the fact that my truck had some issues with maintenance, and I was in the shop, and there's the 24-hour rule that you don't get paid. And then I'm under a load going to California. So I have this pivotal moment, like, what do I do? Do I go home to my children because obviously they're by themselves? Or do I take this load to California? What do? I have no money. So I didn't have anybody to call. I had no support system. At the time, I had nobody to call. And I really feel like a company like ours has the ability to create these relationships to help with those problem-solving opportunities and situations that come up out here on the road. We have the resources, we have the right people in order to help these drivers, ladies and men alike, when they need help the most. So I think Know It has a far-reaching grasp. When it continues to grow, that is my hope, that is my dream, that when those moments pop up that drivers need support, we will be there to support them.